Well, good evening, ladies and gentlemen. This is Stephen Johnson versus Chemtrails. I said I was going to do the experiment with the snow in the morning, but my interest got the best of me. This is what it's doing. And I don't know if I'm going to be able to... Let's see how I can do this. Let's see how I can set this up to where I can actually film this and show you exactly what is going on here. Watch this, folks. I cannot believe it. Look at this. Look at this. The snow is actually burning. Slightly melting. And it smells like plastic while it's being burned. Look at this. Look at this. So, it looks like those videos on YouTube are true. And it stinks. Oh my God. Oh man, that smells horrible. This is the result of it. Yo. Yo, all those videos on YouTube. Okay, I did my first debunk. This shit is nasty. Oh my goodness gracious. This is just nasty. And it stinks. Oh, it smells like crack. It smells like somebody's been smoking crack. Oh man. I gotta get another sample of this. I gotta get another sample of this snow. Just grabbed a handful of snow. I don't know how I'm going to do this. Bear with me, folks, please. Compressing it together. All right. I'm going to do this again, yo. And it's not even melting. It's not even melting. Look at this. You seeing this, folks? And it stinks to high heaven. It smells like I'm actually burning a ball of plastic right now. Look at this. Are you seeing this? You actually seeing this geoengineered fucking... Oh my God. And it's not even melting. It's not even melting. Oh my God, this stinks. Look at this. I hope y'all are catching this. It's not even melting. So, it looks like for the first time, out of all the videos that I've seen on YouTube, where they've been burning snow and scorching snow and not melting, You can see it for yourself, folks. You can see it for yourself. Look at this. That's some nasty shit, yo. This is what's this is burnt snow. This is real. Well, this is Steven Johnson versus Chemtrails. Apparently I have, well, not so much debunked, but I've actually proved some of the viral videos that are actually on YouTube about burnt and charred snow. So, I will perform this experiment again tomorrow morning. See if we get different results, try it from different locations. But as far as I'm convinced, this is a geoengineered storm. And once it's burned, it stinks. It smells like a ball of burning plastic. Until next time, this is Steven Johnson versus Chemtrails. You guys are right, YouTube. There's some fake ass snow. Be safe. I wouldn't be eating any of this shit. Till next time. Talk to y'all later. Be safe. And in this case, don't eat snow, much less the yellow colored snow. Peace out till next experiment.